Now we are going to answer these questions in the positive and in the negative. So we will answer some in positive and some in negative. So the first question, tu comprends l'explication? So tu becomes je. So first one we are going to say yes, oui, je. We are going to replace l'explication. It is a direct complement. So je le comprends. Or we can answer in the negative. Non, je. Now le comprends, right? So ne le comprends pas. Je ne le comprends pas. So if in a simple sentence, ne and pas will come only before and after the verb. Here the pronoun is also included along with the verb. That's the small difference. Now next one. Tu as ton livre? So the first way to answer is oui. Tu becomes je, and ton livre, right? Ton livre, je. So this is masculine, le, and this is the avoir conjugation. For je, it is ai. There is a clash here, so je l'ai. Oui, je l'ai. Or you can say non, je ne l'ai pas. I'm sure you understood that. You must be quite familiar now. So, non, je ne l'ai pas. The next sentence, tu travailles avec Marco. Tu travailles avec Marco. Now, in this sentence, this is an exception I told you about. Here, Marco. Tu travailles avec Marco. It is not indicating any form of communication or exchange. So, in this case, it would be oui, je travaille avec lui. Je travaille avec lui. Or non, je ne travaille pas avec lui. Okay, so here it doesn't give any form of exchange or communication. So je travaille avec lui. Je ne travaille pas avec lui. The next one. Tu parles français au station? So here, the word we are going to replace is au station. It is, now if you remember this word, au, how is it formed? A plus le. So, au. So now you know that this word is preceded by a preposition, right? A plus le is only o. So a is present. It is in the indirect complement. So when it is an indirect complement, it is plural. So je le parle français. Oui, je le parle français. Or non, je ne le parle pas français. So here in this case you have to be careful. It is o, but o is formed from a plus le. So it is indirect. Now finally the last sentence, Tu as fait le travail. This is using passé composé. So you will say oui. Tu becomes je. A is a. Now we are going to replace the word le travail. So je l'ai fait. So le a becomes ai fait. Right? So now if you see, there is a vowel clash here. So it becomes je l'ai fait. Oui, je l'ai fait. So this is how you write the pronoun when the sentence is in the passé composé. Another way of writing is non, je ne l'ai pas fait. Je ne l'ai pas fait. So this is a simple exercise. So this concept itself is very simple. We are replacing a noun that is being repeated with some pronouns. Very simple and very easy as well.